Rosebud AI Dark Mode Setup. How to change theme in Rosebud AI. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can change theme in Rosebud AI. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To change the theme in Rosebud AI, simply launch the Rosebud AI app and this is the interface you will be able to see. Then what you want to do from here is, after you're signed in, tap on the gear icon, which is a settings icon located from the very top right hand side of the screen. From there, if you scroll, you'll find the option that says theme over here. Tap on the theme option. Currently it is set to system, which means if my system is in light mode, it will follow that and vice versa. But if I want to switch to dark, I can just select dark, and for dark also you have different type of dark options like emerald, neutral, sky, rose, amber or others like that. So if you want that, you can see we've successfully changed the theme for the Rosebud AI app. This way you can change theme in Rosebud AI app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.